How to get Temu coupons for existing customers. Did you know that even as an existing Temu customer, you can still access exclusive coupons and discounts that most people completely miss? Stay tuned because I'm about to show you the legitimate ways to maximize your savings on your next Temu order. But before we dive in, if you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more money-saving tips delivered straight to your feed. So you've already made a purchase on Temu and you're wondering how to keep getting those amazing deals you saw when you first signed up. The good news is that Temu offers several ways for existing customers to access coupons and discounts. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 proven methods to find and claim these offers, all within the app and website, completely within their terms of service. First, open the Temu app and navigate to the Coupon Center. You'll find this by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then looking for the Coupons section. This is where Temu stores all your available coupons, including those you may not even know you have. Scroll through and you'll often find percentage off coupons, free shipping offers, or category-specific discounts that are automatically applied to eligible items. Second, check your email inbox regularly. Temu sends existing customers promotional emails with exclusive coupon codes. These often include time-sensitive offers like 20% off your next order or special flash sale notifications. Make sure to check your spam or promotions folder if you're not seeing these emails in your main inbox, and consider adding Temu to your safe sender list. Third, participate in Temu's in-app games and activities. If you go to the homepage and scroll down, you'll see various interactive features like spin the wheel games, daily check-ins, and referral programs. These aren't just for fun, they actually reward you with credits, coupons, and discount codes that you can use on future purchases. The daily check-in feature is particularly valuable because it gives you incremental rewards just for opening the app each day. Fourth, add items to your cart and wait. This is a strategy that works with many online retailers, and Temu is no exception. When you add products to your cart but don't complete the purchase, Temu's system often sends you a reminder email within 24 to 48 hours. And these reminders frequently include a special discount code to encourage you to complete your order. Just make sure you're genuinely interested in the items, because this should be used responsibly, not as a way to manipulate the system. Fifth, follow Temu on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. They regularly post exclusive promo codes and flash sales that are only shared with their social media followers. Additionally, during major shopping events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or seasonal sales, existing customers get access to special coupon bundles that can be stacked for maximum savings. Here's a pro tip for you. Combine your coupons strategically. Temu often allows you to stack certain types of coupons together, like a site-wide percentage discount with a category-specific coupon or free shipping. Before you check out, take a moment to review all available coupons in your coupon center and test different combinations to see which gives you the best total discount. Sometimes using 2 smaller coupons together saves you more than using 1 large coupon alone. So to recap, you can get Temu coupons as an existing customer by checking the in-app coupon center, monitoring your email for promotional codes, playing the in-app games, strategically using cart abandonment, and following their social media channels. These methods are all legitimate, safe, and designed by Temu to reward loyal customers like you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical guides on saving money while shopping online. And here's a question for you. What's the biggest discount you've ever gotten on Temu? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear your success stories. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.